Alright, so today we begin at the main campus building, and right now we're just starting the day with some lecture. Then every hour there's a 10-minute break. So most people just go outside and they'll smoke, or they'll get snacks and eat or drink water. This is our break room space. On the left is a student council snack store, and then on the right they have vending machines. Student council snacks are a little less than the vending machines. There's fridges, and this is where you take your break. Right now we're having Chipotle. We just got Chipotle from across the street. It's quick and easy. Then after lunch, we were going over APUs. So this is the term 6 room, and we were opening and looking at some components in the APUs. This is the power plant lab. Currently, this is term 5 in here. They're taking apart engines, which is a part of the term 5 curriculum that you'll have to do to learn all the components in a recip engine. Then down this hall is where some staff rooms are, but also the LRC, which is the resource center. This is where people will study. And then here is term 1. They're actually learning the safety wire, and some instructors asked us to help out some students that weren't understanding how to safety wire. Then after term 5 was done with the power plant lab, we came back in to further look at some engines and just learn the components, and also look at some blades to see if there was any potential damage. And we were able to fully take apart an APU just so we can see how the components connect, where they're connected, any parts you would want to inspect, stuff like that. And then we were able to put everything back together, which was really nice to see just how they were connected even further. After school, I went straight to work. I work at a flight school, which is up the road from the school. This is an amazing job opportunity. Honestly, I recommend it for anyone. On this day, it was awesome. I actually got to fly up for a maintenance flight at our other Plymouth location. The flight instructor was super awesome. Shout out to Andrew. He actually let me take off and go up myself, which was super, super cool, amazing experience. I actually got into flight school after this because of this experience, so 10 out of 10, I would recommend. Seeing the world from this perspective is just absolutely insane. And that's Boston over there. Once we landed, I actually got to look at the maintenance facility, and it was just amazing to see the stuff we're actually learning in school on the field. Then after that, we just flew back to the Bedford airfield and landed and got straight back to work. Again, if you are a student at the National Aviation Academy New England location, I 10 out of 10 recommend this job. It's right up the road from the school, and here I am bringing one of my friends in to use one of our simulators, which is just a sick experience, and I was happy I was able to show him that. And the staff is super accommodating. The managers all know your students, so if you come in a little late, it's okay. And if you want to pick up extra shifts, again, they'll work with you to make sure that they can help you out, and they appreciate that you're a student in aviation. Here I am at the airfield, and we actually got to see some jets come in, which is, again, just like amazing, super, super cool to experience. I was also even able to get a photograph of one, which was sick. And then ending the day, we brought all the planes inside the hangar. Super beautiful, super satisfying work to see at the end of the day. And then you get to see these amazing sunsets when you work in aviation. Just all around beautiful. Thank you for watching.